Declination is usually given in units of degrees, arc minutes, and arc seconds, but sometimes is only given in units of degrees. In this example, we convert a dec value from degree, arc minute, arc second to only degree units. Here we have a sketch of a celestial south pole, celestial north pole, and a star. The dec value is shown as an angle upwards from the celestial equator up in latitude to the star's location. Suppose the latitude we're given is 34 degrees, 35 arc minutes, 42 arc seconds, and we want to convert this latitude value to only degrees. The first thing we need to do is get rid of 42 arc seconds, the units of arc seconds, and convert it to the units of arc minutes. So step one, convert 42 arc seconds to arc minutes. We're going to start with our 42 arc seconds, and we don't like the units of arc seconds, so we're going to build ourselves a railroad track, which is this long T. We don't like the units of arc seconds, so we put arc second units in the denominator. We want arc seconds of arc minute units, so we put arc minute units in the numerator. The conversion is 60 arc seconds in 1 arc minute. So we take a look at our units, and we divide out arc seconds, divide with arc seconds. The only unit we're left with is arc minutes, so the arc minute unit moves over. Now we look at the numbers. We've got 42, multiply by 1, and divide by 60. So we go to our calculator, we take 42, multiply it by 1, and divide that by 60. Hit equal, and we get a value of 0.7. We go back to our answer, and our answer is 0.7. So 42 arc seconds is the same thing as 0.7 arc minutes. Step 2 is to add step 1 to 35 arc minutes. Our description has 35 arc minutes, 42 arc seconds. We converted 42 arc seconds to 0.7 arc minutes. So now we need to take the 35 arc minutes and add to it 0.7 arc minutes. Since both units are the same, which is arc minutes, we can add the values of 35 and 0.7, and we get an answer of 35.07 arc minutes. So now, if we needed to, we could express the latitude of 34 degrees, 35 arc minutes, 42 arc seconds as 34 degrees and 35.07 arc minutes. But we don't want that. We want answers only in units of degrees, so we want to convert this 35.07 arc minutes into units of degrees. So to do that, we need to build another railroad track. We start with our answer, 35.07 arc minutes. We build a railroad track. We don't want the units of arc minutes, so we put them in the denominator. In the numerator, we want units of degrees. Now we need a conversion. We know that there are 60 arc minutes in 1 degree. Now we just cancel units. We notice that arc minute divides with arc minute from the numerator and denominator. The only thing we're left with is a degree, so we carry that unit over. 35.07 multiplied by 1 divided by 60 is 0.5845. We go back to our original, and we see we have 4 digits here, 35.07, so we need 4 digits on our answer, so we need all of them, 0.5845. So our answer is going to be 0.5845. And the unit is degrees. So step 4 is to add step 3 to 34 degrees. Well, so we have 34 degrees from our given. We converted 35 arc minutes and 42 arc seconds to 0.5845 degrees. So now we need to add 0.5845 degrees to 34 degrees. And our final answer will be 34.5845 degrees. Let's take a look at this. We know that 42 arc seconds is a really tiny angle. We know that arc minutes is larger than an arc second, but certainly much smaller than a degree. So we know that 35 arc minutes and 42 arc seconds can be much more additional to 34 degrees. So an answer of 34.5845 degrees, or roughly 35.5 degrees, seems reasonable. So I will box my answer, declare that as my answer. This is an example of how to convert declination to decimal format from units of degrees, arc minutes, and arc seconds. Notice we have a decimal in our answer. The items to the right of the decimal are the arc minutes and arc seconds that we were originally given.